Voila. What I'm doing here, yeah, by the way, I'm in Dunkin' Donuts right now, doing a server replacement. What I gotta do is take the hard drive from this old server and put it in the new server. So the guy on the other end, he's gonna remotely take all the files from the old hard drive and put it on the new hard drive from the new server. Then I'm gonna take this old hard drive out the new server and put it back in the old server and ship it to them and hook up the new server up in here. The old hard drive. This is the new server. Shit from NCR. Alright, this is the new server. It's brand spanking new. No dust. Oh shit. What I'm doing now is I'm removing this bracket from this new server so that I can put the old hard drive in this bracket with the new hard drive, because I'm gonna have to mount it back up on that wall. See that empty space up there? That's where the old server was. make it easier for me, I'm just taking the SATA cables from the DVD drive and just putting them in the old hard drive. So yeah, gotta mount this heavy shit up here by myself. Need 4 hands for this, but I'm gonna make it work with 2. Finally did it. It's mounted. Alright, now the NCR Tech is done with the data transfer. Now what I'm doing is removing the whole hard drive from the new server and putting it back to the old server. 2 hard drives go right there. Okay, I've already removed the old hard drive from the new server. Just put the bracket back on. I just put the old hard drive back in
239
the old server.
Okay. No, I think it's any of them. I mean, I can read a message. 239, you said? Bye.
Everything looks good to go. Get this motherfucker back up. Ship it off.
What's up?
Life and Times of Ed Carr Johnson. Job complete. Well done.